This is my Robo Live Zuru King Python, and today I'm just going to show really quickly. I didn't notice this, but if you want to change the battery on the Python, you just have to separate this piece from this piece. You'll notice it has a big indentation there. It's the quick release. I didn't notice this when I made my first video. If you press the quick release, now you can pull out the head from the body, and you have access to batteries now. And then this part's the easy part. You just have to unscrew to get to the 3AAA compartment, and you place it. That's it. And the nice thing is the batteries don't get stuck, so you won't need pliers to take it out, I hope. Put this back in. My kids don't play with this anymore for some reason. It's about 2 weeks into it. But, so, in terms of the toy, it's not as replayable as I thought it'd be. And let me go turn it on and show you it in action. There you go. It's working, it's alive. It goes in circles.